You have seen it happen. A perfect ad account running for years, no shadow ban issue suddenly go dark. Without any explanation, just the final decision. Why this actually happened? In May 2026, we are living through the biggest crackdown in advertising history. Platforms are scared because $10 billion is being spent on US midterms and the heavy penalty from EU. Today I'm going to tell you why this is actually happening and the 3 steps that you need to take right away so that it don't hit your business. Here is the thing, most people think their ad got banned because what they have said in their ad copy or their primary text, but it's all about who you are. Meta, which is Facebook and Instagram, has moved to zero trust model. Every new account is considered guilty until it's proven innocent. If you use your words like housing, community, sustainable, you trigger ESP filter, which is environmental, social and political. If your ad hit a social issue or an environmental claim, the AI thinks you are political operative. Navigating through these rules is not a DIY project. It's a compliance nightmare for any businesses. So in our agency, we not only build our client's ad, we build an entire infrastructure for compliance. We help brands navigate EU's greenwashing law, complete and complex verification of Google shopping experience, and isolate their entire technical setup so that they don't fall any chain bans. If you want to stop guessing and start scaling with a team that understands the landscape in 2026, then our contact details are given in the description. Now, the step number 1, don't use your virtual card, your nickname for your business verification. Use your own ID, your business registration, the credit card, all the information must be aligned with the brand. Upload them proactively before they banning you. Step number 2, sans first disclaimer. You can't just recycle anymore. It's a direct ban in EU. Instead of saying green, you can say it's made of 80% recycled plastic. It works like a legal seed for your brand. And step number 3, which is most important, before publishing your ad, go to these websites and they scan your ad copy, primary text and your landing page. And if there are any red flag, they immediately tell you to change this. And if you publish after reviewing in this website, you are totally safe. You can also check the reliable website in the description, which is working as per the Meta's policy in 2026. If you verify your identity, back up your claims with the data, and isolate your technical setup, you are not just preventing yourself from getting banned, but you are building an authority at the same time. Hit the subscribe button for more updates in digital marketing landscape. Until then, see you in next one.